Which best explains how gunpowder ended the rule of traditional castles? A. Wars were fought with guns and hiding in castles was no longer necessary. B. Artillery forts with large cannons became more stylish than traditional castles. C. Defending castles grew difficult since attackers could just shoot castle defenders. Or D. Cannons were able to knock down stone walls, so castles offered little protection. In order to answer this question, we need information from the 6th paragraph, which I have posted here. Here we see mention of gunpowder, which we can see our question is asking about. The text tells us that although in the 14th century gunpowder weapons were unreliable, inaccurate, and weak, during the 15th century artillery became powerful enough to break through stone walls. This greatly undermined the military role of castles. Because the text tells us outright that gunpowder eventually became strong enough to undermine the military role of castles because it was powerful enough to break through stone walls, which is exactly what our question is asking, we can head down to our choices and mark D, cannons were able to knock down stone walls, so castles offered little protection, as our final answer.